San Diego has changed a lot over the last couple of decades, but there's more changes to come. Recently, San Diego has expanded the terminals in the airports, but there are 7 projects that San Diego has in the works that's going to change the city forever. Today, I'm going to break down the 7 projects that are in the works for San Diego County. These massive projects are going to reshape San Diego and its landscape for years to come, starting in 2025. Everything from new urban developments to entertainment hubs and even a professional sports team. Let's start in North County and the city of San Marcos. They are working on developing a new urban neighborhood called the North City. This 200-acre development is going to include shopping, restaurants, entertainment, and more brand new residences, up to 3,400 new homes. There'll be family-friendly spots for bowling, arcades, and a lot of funds for the little ones. New City is planning on adding 1 million square feet of office spaces for tech companies, local businesses, and new education. This could mean a shorter commute for those who are looking for jobs in the area and living in San Marcos, so that they don't have to commute all the way down to San Diego. Next, let's move down to the city of Chula Vista, where the Gaylord Pacific Hotel and Convention Center is currently being done. It is expected to open in 2025. This 22-story resort is going to feature 1,600 hotel rooms and suites, as well as a water park and up to 10 restaurants for you and all your guests when they come here to visit San Diego. The water park especially is going to have a lazy river, wave pool, and plenty of thrilling slides that the kids can use. For the locals, we can even buy day passes and make it a family outing. And then in the evening, the family can enjoy a nice dinner out in the fancy restaurants. And the best part is this resort is going to boost the local economy by hiring people in San Diego and having more jobs available, therefore driving business to local shops and restaurants. Plus, the surrounding waterfront area will include bike paths, promenades, and green spaces, making it a beautiful place to hang out for San Diego residences. Come check out the Pacific Gaylord Hotel and Resort when it's scheduled to open in the summer of 2025. San Diego has a relatively small international airport, and as such, they are expanding the airport. They've already made improvements to Terminal 2, and now they're working on Terminal 1. The Terminal 1 expansion at the San Diego International Airport is a massive $3.8 billion project. Once finished, travelers will be able to have access to incredible dining options from local favorites like Craft and Commerce, Puesto, and even a restaurant by the great skater Tony Hawk. One of the coolest new features is an outdoor terrace where you can relax and take in the views of the bay while waiting for your flight. Families will also appreciate a kid-friendly play area, which will make traveling for the little ones just a little bit less stressful. Parking is a much needed change, and as such, they're going to be adding 2,500 new parking spots for electric vehicles and for locals who are just here to drop off their travelers. The hope is that the city can increase access to roads by reducing traffic congestions. San Diego will be joining the Major League Soccer with its team, the San Diego FC. The games will be played at the Snapdragon Stadium, the old Qualcomm Stadium that has been redeveloped with SDSU. Snapdragon has the capacity to handle 35,000 fans, and with teams like the San Diego Wave, the women's soccer team, and SDSU's football team, there's going to be a lot more sports entertainment for the locals here in San Diego. Their first match is scheduled for March 1st, 2025 against St. Louis City, South Carolina. This edition is huge for local soccer fans and those that have been waiting for a professional team here in San Diego. I have personally been waiting for this one for a long time. The redevelopment of Seaport Village. For a long time, Seaport Village was starting to get run down, and it just wasn't as appealing as before. With the new development, Seaport Village is going to be a place that everyone should visit. Seaport Village is getting a long overdue makeover. The new Seaport in San Diego will feature over 30 new restaurants, shops, parks, bike trails, and urban beaches. There's even talk of adding an aquarium and a brand new hotel. This project will completely transform the waterfront to a world-class destination. So whether you're looking for a nice stroll along the bay, dining with a view, or just catching a concert at the nearby Rady Shell, this new development is going to be a tourist attraction for locals and tourists alike. The Midway Rise and Sports Arena development is a long-awaited project that every San Diego local will tell you they have been yearning for. We used to enjoy going out and watching ice hockey with the Gulls, and ever since the sports arena shut down, things have just not been the same for that area. This new development will change everything. The plan includes a brand new arena for concerts and sports events. Thousands of new housing units with affordable options will be built, and plenty of parks and retail spaces. With the upgraded arena, there's even speculation that San Diego could one day host another NHL team or possibly an NBA team. While construction is still a few years away, this project can change the landscape of that local area. I have played Topgolf in other cities, but there just wasn't one here in San Diego, and that is about to change. Topgolf is actually adding a facility on Harbor Island. This isn't just about golf. It's about a fun place to hang out with your friends, enjoy great food, take a stunning view of the waterfront. This facility includes 120 hitting bays and plans of adding entertainment venues, making this a destination that everyone should check out. Plus, there are bonus projects. Liberty Station is adding The Admiral, a new event and social club, while Balboa Park is expanding its art museums and opening a new botanical garden, which is a must-see. SeaWorld is introducing its immersive jellyfish exhibit, perfect for families. San Diego is truly evolving and growing. I love living in San Diego, and it's wonderful to see that San Diego is evolving and growing. Which of these projects do you like the most? Leave a comment below and let me know what you're excited to see in San Diego in 2025.